Hello students, this is Vikal. Will teach you English language and English literature for class 8th. Before going to our work, I would like to welcome you all in this new session in which we will study the new things and learn more things. As you all know that this time our country is passing from a crucial time, that is COVID-19. To continue our education, we are providing you e-learning classes at your home. So I would like to introduce you with your book which you have to study. That is entitled as Gulmohar. This is your English literature book. In this you have to study 12 chapter and some poems in this book, which we will see through content here. As I told you, there are 12 chapters in this book, and these are red highlighted poems which you have to study. In this book, some steps you have to follow to study it. First of all, you have to understand the chapters and poems. And after understanding your chapters and poem, you have to do some work also, which you have to understand and learn also by your heart. As I give you work, simultaneously you have to study also and learn the work. Otherwise, you will be in hot waters. Okay? So, I am telling you some steps here which you have to follow and do work as well in your copies and learn. As I told you, first of all you have to understand the chapter and poems. Then, as we do in chapters and poems, first of all you have to do the dictation words which are related from your chapters and poem. Poem you have to learn also, as well as write in your fair notebook. Word meanings which are related from your chapters and poem. Make sentences of these word meanings itself. Then you have to write the question answers, and exercises are there from the chapters. This whole thing you have to do throughout the year and learn well. Now we will continue our class with some work that is from your chapter first, entitled as The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond. Today I am giving you some dictation words. These are your dictation words which you have to copy in your fair notebook and learn the spellings, so that your spellings must be improved and good. Okay guys, we will continue this chapter in new class. Thank you. Have a nice day.